Hello, in this video I will show how we can repeat a specific word in a column after every fourth row in Excel using formula. So let me show how we can get this done. Okay. So here is the column. Now I will write a formula in it. Okay. So the word I want to repeat is Diana. Okay. So I will write here that Diana. See, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now if I let me extend it here further. No. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and we got it. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. This one. Okay. So that is the formula which I have used. Okay. So 4 is here. The specific word which I want to get repeated is this. Okay. Fine.